Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the PokeRate app. So you're going to go ahead and open it. That's just after you register your username and your level. This is what you'll see, all the open rates. So you want to filter out the ones that are full. And once you do that, you just pull the screen down to refresh. Or you can go to filter and filter the Pokemon that you raid that you're looking for. And so I am just going to try to get into a raid that I want. And if you click on it and it's full, it'll say room is full. That's what it said. I kind of went quickly because I forgot to let you guys read it. But it's just saying that the room is full. You can use auto join or try again to refresh. So I'm refreshing. Oh, I hit auto join actually. I'm going to do auto join, put in the Pokemon, and it tells you to wait. Now to use this, you'll need coins. And the earn coins is this, so you can log in every day and it'll give you coins. Here's how many coins I have. You go into coins and there you go. And every day you're rewarded the coin like I previously explained. Okay, so I went back to the main menu to try to manually join because I didn't want to waste my coins on the auto join for that Pokemon that's everywhere right now for me. It's raid hour, so he's everywhere. And so that's me. I'm just trying to refresh, and I actually got into one. And when you get into them, it'll say that the host friend code has already been copied to your clipboard. So you're gonna go into Pokemon Go, and you're gonna add that host as your friend. Just paste. Okay? And the friend request is sent. And so now all you do is wait. We're waiting on the host to add you and for your invite. Usually during this time I'll go into my Pokemon and make sure they're all healed up for the round. And healing. And by the time usually I'm done healing, the friend request is accepted and the raid comes up pretty quick. You could type and see the little egg and you can go into the messages and you can write added and ready just to let the host know that you've added them as a friend and you're ready to go. That whole little room when you join is a chat with the people, with the host and other people that joined the room. So that's pretty cool. Okay. So I'm just going in, try to waste some time, waiting on the raid to start. Some people are quick, some people are slow with it. He was on a little slower side, but it'll be okay. And there we go. And as you can see, he sent the request, and I'm in the raid. And thanks for watching. Check out my next video on how to create your own raid room.